Balance the chemical equation. CH3NH2 plus O2 is gives us CH3 plus N2 plus H2O. In this equation, the left hand side, there are 1 carbon atom, 5 hydrogen atoms, 1 nitrogen atom, and 2 oxygen atoms present. On the right hand side, there are 1 carbon atom, 5 hydrogen atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom present. The number of atoms are not balanced on both sides. To balance the chemical equation, we need to make use of coefficients. A coefficient is a number that we place in front of a chemical formula. In this equation, we need to balance the nitrogen atoms first. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of CH3NH2. The nitrogen atoms are balanced. Now we need to balance the carbon atoms. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of CH3. The carbon atoms are balanced. Now we need to balance the oxygen atoms. To do this, we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O. The equation is now balanced. There are 2 carbon atoms, 10 hydrogen atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, and 2 oxygen atoms on both sides. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.